Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I hope you guys are having the most wonderful day. Today's video is another Poundland haul. If you guys don't know, Poundland is one of my favorite places to go. And without any further ado, we're going to get right ahead and started. So guys, the first thing I purchased is this beautiful little kitten bag. I always purchase their brand new bags. I love having all of them. So this is a brand new one from them. So these little bags are £1 each. But we're going to move this little kitty off to the side. And I'm going to pull out the first item. If you guys don't know, Poundland does Pep & Co clothing. I purchased these men's, and I know they're men's, but I purchased these men's super cute skinny fit jogger. I love the pattern. I love this blue type of army camouflage. They are skinny fit. They were £12 down to £7. I thought that was a bit of a bargain. I love the little knee patch. The skinny fit at the bottom, and obviously these are more winter clothes, but I do like a pair of joggers just to run around in. The waistband is quite big and nice and flexible, and I love the fact that it has zipper pockets. So I'm super happy with those. I got a brilliant bargain for only £7. Guys, if you haven't checked out Pep & Co clothing, I buy it all the time. I definitely recommend their clothing range. Not everything is fantastic, but I find that the joggers wash well and they dry really well. I don't ever put these in the tumble dryer because they shrink, but I do put them on a clothes horse, or I put them on my washing line. They are fantastic as long as you don't tumble dry. The next thing I purchased are a set of 3 makeup accessories. Gentle Does It makeup removing cloths. I love these cloths, if I can get them out of the packet. These little cloths are £1 for 3, and they are super soft. They're quite big for taking your makeup off. I don't only use them for taking my makeup off, I also use them for washing my face and things like that. So you get this gorgeous turquoise, you get this beautiful purple, and you get this stunning bright pink. And I always love to take a brand new one with me when I travel, so they are pretty awesome. I get a shower every single day, but I don't like washing my hair every single day because I feel like it takes the natural oils out of my hair. And I don't ever feel that if I wash my hair every day, I'm getting I'm leaving the total goodness that my hair generates itself. So I always buy shower caps. This little shower cap was only £1. It is a good hair day shower cap. I lost my last one. I don't know where it went to, so I decided to purchase another one. This one is super cute. It's got the monochrome with the white and the little black hearts. It is great because it's super wide to get over any size of head. It's got the waterproof bit inside, so that is pretty awesome, and I think for £1 that is totally cute. I purchased some of my favorite sweets. These are Dexter's Rainbow Laces. I love these rainbow laces because they're thick, they're full of flavour, and they're not all one flavour. So you get like a multitude of flavour. You get strawberry, lemon, apple. I'm not sure what the blue one is, but you get lots of different flavours, and so that's always nice for me. And these are only £1 a pack, and they will be enough for me to snack on for quite a while. And guys, I have a number of these. I'm just going to have to pull them all out for you. Noisy. I'm so sorry about the super noise, but I want to make sure that I get all of them out, which I have. Guys, if you have not tried these noisy snacks, I bought, as you can see, quite a lot of them. Oh. These noisy snacks are a company that are based in Northern Ireland, so I like to support locals. That's pretty awesome. However, they're at Poundland currently at 50p. The expiry date is 07/23, so quite a long shelf life. These noisy bean chips are super delicious. They have high protein, high fiber, and they are a level 5 cents product. The packaging is 100% recyclable, which is also awesome. If you guys haven't tried these before, they do have a website. I believe it's noisy.co.uk. I think that's what the website is, but love the fact that they're based in Northern Ireland. They do a huge range of noisy beans, noisy nuts. I can't eat nuts. I have a nut allergy, so I always go for the noisy beans. And these are my two favorite flavors. The pulled pork, which is delicious. It is so intensely flavored. And my ultimate favorite are the roasted broad beaned beef brisket. I was ecstatic to get these at 50p in Poundland, so I bought a ton. I already had some that I purchased directly from Noisy Snacks online, and I was running out, so I'm really, really happy that I got some more. But if you guys have not tasted them, honestly, it is a top recommendation. They are super delicious, and they post anywhere in the UK. Definitely a delicious flavour. Because I am always struggling to wash my back especially in the center of my back. I did have a spa. It's almost like a sheet that helped me, but I didn't think that my back was getting super clean. So I decided to purchase from Poundland. These were £1.50, but I think that's pretty okay. This is an extendable armed, not an extendable, but it's a fixed length armed sponge, it has a rough side and a really super smooth side. It's going to help me clean my back. So if you have any issues, with your muscles or your joints, I have a terribly bad shoulder. These are awesome. So I'm super excited to have that. Be super fresh and clean. I purchase these Fabulosa washing machine cleaners all the time. This one is in the scent Precious Gold. It is 2 shots, so you're getting your washing machine cleaned twice. It cleans your washing machine and it kills 99.9% of bacteria and viruses. This stuff smells super sweet, nice, also fresh and summery. If you guys have not tried the Fabulosa products, definitely give those a go because they are pretty awesome. I always have leftover food, which I never throw away. I hate throwing away food. So I use a lot of these zip and seal food bags to be able to put any leftovers in. When I open fresh meat like ham and chicken, I always like to make sure that some of them don't have a resealing edge. So I like to put them inside these sealed food bags. That keeps them fresh and means that I'm not wasting food. So these little zip seal bags, they're large, you get 18 and they're only £1 a bag, which I think is also a pretty decent bargain. A couple of other little items I have for you. We always do like days out and things like that, and I know plastic isn't the way to go, but it is convenient when we're on days out. So I purchased this 80 pack of all white on the night white cutlery. You get spoons, forks and knives and little tiny teaspoons that are hiding right here in the back, and they're just handy and convenient. Obviously we only use these on on our trips, but it does make for an easier life for me. So for £1 a pack, I think that is pretty decent. I purchased this little makeup eyeshadow quad. It is all about the shadow. I really, really like this color. Is it sealed? Oh, you have to get the sticky off. Sticky always breaks my nails. Ugh. Super sticky. Let's get that off. There we go. I like the fact that it is sealed though. I love these colors. They are super shimmery. You've got a very dark brown that you can fade into the other 2 lighter brows, and then the other 2 lighter colors, and then the white or beige that you can just accentuate your eyebrow. These were only £1, and I think this is pretty awesome. This is pretty good for me to pop into my makeup bag when I'm traveling. I don't like carrying tons and tons of makeup, but I'm always happy to have something small like this, which is outstanding. Guys, I'm really sorry about my throat today. I've got a really froggy, croaky voice. So thanks for sticking with me, and I do apologize for the croakiness. Batteries. I use these little batteries for night lights for my dog. It helps to keep her a little calmer, but I also use them for my soap dispensers. They are no-touch soap dispensers. So I was running out. I think I only had 4 left, so I bought this pack of 22, and I got this for £2, which I think is really, really reasonable. The next thing that I bought is this set of 8 wax melts. Look at this gorgeous rich purple color. These are extraordinaire. That I guess is the scent. It's a 100-gram full pack. It smells like berries. I don't know why it smells like berries, but it does. It doesn't really give me any indication on the inside of the components for the scent, but it smells very berry. It smells fresh. So I will, when I've burnt this in my wax burner, I will put an update in the description or in the comment section for you guys, but I'm excited to use this. And guys, the last product I got 2 of. I got these fun, super soothing printed face mask sheets. I'm going to just show you one, but I purchased 2 of them. You get a 2-pack of the face masks, which I think is awesome because these were £1 each. So you're getting a face mask for 50p. Not really usual pricing for a face mask. They're usually, if you think about it, Poundland, they're usually £1 each. So I was really happy to get this. The packaging is super cute. And we have a sweet donut and we have sweet strawberry. And let's just have a look and see what they're like inside. Oh, generic packaging. Oh, they're not. They are so cute. I thought when I saw this side, this was just pure generic packaging. But you can actually see the face masks. So, excuse me. This one is our cute little donut. What do they call it? Guys, I'm so sorry. This is our sweet donut and this is our sweet strawberry. So super excited, and look at the moisture inside here. So you know that these are really good moisturizing, soothing face masks. And I bought a pack of 2. I don't know about you guys. I love a good face mask. I use them really often, and I was super excited to get 2 face masks for £1. And they are so cute. I love them. Well, guys, thank you so much for joining me. I really am so grateful that you take the time to watch my videos. But if you like them, please hit that like button. Every time you guys hit the like button, it really does help support my channel. If you're not yet a subscriber and would like to join us, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you here. And if you guys want to be notified of any of my future videos, don't forget about the notification bell. Thank you again so much for joining me. I hope you guys have the most wonderful day. Please stay safe. Please take care, and please look out for each other. And I'm going to catch you next time. Bye, everybody. Bye.